Hello guys, I welcome back you to the new programming screencast. So in this screencast, I gonna tell you the solution for the task that is given in the previous video. So the task, let me read this task for you. So what is the task that is given to you is write a program to convert any base into the decimal using Python. So example given as is 100 base 2. So if a question if it is if this given number is in base 2, we need to convert that base into the decimal number. Example, if a given number is in base 3 format, we need to convert that into decimal format. Is this clear? For this, let me open Jupyter Notebook and let us first talk about what exactly the given is. The given one is an application of explicit typecasting, typecasting, type conversion. Okay, an explicit type conversion is also called as type conversion. Explicit type conversion is also called as typecasting. Okay na? So now let us talk about what exactly inbuilt functions are there for type conversion, explicit type conversion. So yesterday we had talked about, the entire video talks about the inbuilt support. In that inbuilt support, let me take one function in that inbuilt support. Let me take one function, that is first function, that is int of. What is this function is telling? This function is having two parameters, guys. First one is string. It is expecting first parameter to be string and second parameter to be base. What this function is doing, guys, this function is taking first parameter and converting that string into the integer. Okay now, taking, if the argument is string, what it is doing is it is converting into the integer. Not only the string, it can be also the float, it can also be double, it can be also be any type of data. But we are doing our problem by giving string as an input and taking the output. This is clear. So let me let me tell you, taking let me brief you about these parameters. Taking string as input and giving what it is giving output, integer as an output. Is this clear? Yeah. And base here is optional. Base parameter is okay now, base parameter is optional. And what about what this base is doing is the string whatever we are passing, that is being converted into integer based on the given base. Okay now, this is what the exact that function is telling us. Let me put as raw and b. See, now let us take an example to solve that. Okay na? Let me take an example of 1010. So this is in base 2 format. This is in base 2 format. If it is in base 2 format, I have already said you how to convert this base 2 into decimal. How can we convert it, guys? We can convert it using by multiplying with its exponential. So 2 power 0, 2 power 0, first into 0. First term is 0, right? So this is 0, right? So 2 power 0 into 0 plus. How can we? Now 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 into, what is the second value that is there? 1 plus 2 power 2 into 2 power 2 into, it is 0, right? So plus 2 power 3 into, what is the value that is there? That is 1. Is this clear? So 1, see, 1010, if it is in base 2, if we want to convert into decimal, what we need to do is we need to multiply this with 2 with 2 powers with all these numbers. So 2 power 0 into 0, 2 power 1 into 1, 2 square into 0, 2 cube into 1. So now let me calculate the value, final value. What is the final value? 2 power 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2 plus, and 2 square is 4, 4 into 0, 0 plus 2 cube is 8, 8 into 1 is 8. So finally what we are getting, we are getting 10 as an output. Is this clear? This is first sum. This is A, bit number A. How to convert a binary number into decimal number. Let us take another example. How to convert a given number into base 3 format. So base 3 is given. How to convert that base 3 into decimal number? So it is also very similar. 3 power 0 into 0 plus 3 power 1 into 3 power 1 into, it is also 0 plus 3 square into 1. So all are first one is 3 power 0 is 1, 1 into 0, 0 plus 3 power 1 is 3, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 square is 9. So 9 will be the output. Is clear? Let us take one more example, that is C. Now let me convert 10 base 8. I am taking now base 8. So if it is base 8, how can we do that, guys? So 8 power 0 into 0 plus 8 power 1 into 1. Is clear? So after converting this, what we are getting? We are getting 0 plus 8. 8 is an output. So is this clear? So this is an example how to convert a given value into the decimal. Now let us write the program for this. This is very simple. We will be having inbuilt support. We will be using that inbuilt support and we will write the program. So in other programming languages, what we will do is take this number after this modulo, we will modulo with 10. We will be getting the last digit. After getting the last digit, what we will do is we will take base value and we will increment the power. We will multiply that and we will do that. But in Python it is very simple, but we can do this with while loop also. In Python we will be having inbuilt support. With one line of code only we will complete this. See here, guys, if I want to now I am expecting 1010. Let us take this example, provide this for int function. So 1010 is my binary value, base 2, right? It is in base 2 and now I want to convert that into base 10, right? So let me print that a value. See, yes, I am getting 10. See, this function is automatically doing that. Now let us do another example for this. A is equal to int of 100 base 3, right? See, let me print value of A here. A. So value of A is 9, right? So that is what here we get. Yeah. Now let me print a value. A value here is print int of 10 comma base 8, right, guys? So if I print the value of a, then I am getting 8 as an output. See here. So finally what we need to take, the syntax for int function is take one string comma base. It will automatically convert the given base. What this function is doing, guys, it is converting, the given base into the decimal value. This is clear, guys. So we can do it for any base, guys, not only for base 16 hexadecimal. We can do it for any base. See, what I can do is I can let me take base other than 16. See, this is sweet 17 program. See, I am giving one value. This is one value. Now I am converting this into 17th base. So let me print that value. Printing of a. See, I'm getting value. So this number whatever we are giving is being converted into decimal number. This is the problem whatever we have got in TCS Ninja. Okay, now convert a sweet 17 problem. This is also called a sweet 17 problem. Given a base 17 value, we need to convert into decimal number. In Python, we can write it in single line, guys. This is one of the important problem, converting a given any base into the decimal value. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any queries, please put them on the comment box. If you got any answers, if you got any errors regarding this problem, please put them on the comment box. We will help you out. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.